There are 17 million people with cerebral palsy.
We live everywhere in the world. Millions more who devote their lives to supporting us. Tens of thousands of doctors, therapists, and teachers who work with us.
CP is the most common physical disability in childhood. Every day, more than 1,000 children are born with CP.
But in communities around the world, we are often invisible. Our fellow citizens do not understand who we are or how to communicate with us. We do not always have the right to participate. Too few doctors and therapists know how to provide us with the care we need. Too many of us don't have the access to the information and tools we need. Too few educators have the training to ensure we get the education we deserve. And too many of us do not have the opportunity to live up to our potential.
It is time to make a change.
It is time for us to work together. It is time to remind everyone that we are here. It is time to remind each other that we are here, that we are everywhere. We are writers, teachers, activists, and engineers. We are comedians and best friends, artists and bloggers. We are politicians and parents, and sons and daughters. We are the global community of people with CP.
And those who surround them.
And we are committed to making sure everyone living with CP has the opportunities they deserve. Embraced by our communities, the same rights as all citizens, excellent medical and therapeutic care, with the best possible quality of life, the chance to take our education as far as we wish, to make the contribution each of us was put on this earth to make. We are the global community of people with CP. We are everywhere.
And we want to know where you are.
Join us on the map.
And tell us your story at worldcpday.org.